Hey there, this is Gabriela. Okay, let's talk about something really important. A lot of people ask why we are using the generic keywords. Why is showing our backlinks created with moneyrobot with so many generic keywords. I talked on one of the videos about the generic keywords. In this case, let's talk about why it's so important to have different generic keywords. It's important to look natural under Google eyes. Okay, we know that part. What is the anchor text? It's definitely this is the sample we have. This is the way the HTML a code to showing, but it's the anchor text is the visible part. Okay, on the clickable text. That's simple. Now, when we create backlinks in any way, we're talking about moneyrobot in this case, we're going to have a lot of blogs creating to your money site. Doesn't matter if it's tier 1 or you use it for tier 2. And you're going to use anchor text for those backlinks you are creating inside of the article. Okay, we have different type of anchor text. There are many, but in this case we're going to talk about the main ones. There are 6. The exact match, because when we are talking about exactly the type of keyword we are looking for rank for. The partial match is when we are talking about the keyword with a variation. That means any other way to use the keyword. You can get a lot of these ideas if you're going to the Google suggestion line. Okay, the brand is just the name of your brand. The Nake link is this. This is the sample, mean your URL to your, but like a anchor text, not like a URL, okay? But you're gonna use it like this. The generic means the click here. Here are a lot. Sample, more information here, read more. It's more also like a call to action. And then the image, we know the image when we use it for clickable too, they're gonna be using the anchor text for the attribute, the alt attribute. Okay. It's really important to have these keywords on your backlinks. Simple like that. Why? We know anchor text is a factor ranking. That's why it's so important. You can control here the percent. If you are using moneyrobot like a tier 2, I definitely use a lower percent. And I put some here on brand and Nake anchor text on here, including on the keywords. Okay, the other part really important is over there in the internet you're gonna find a lot of information. This is something I usually use. This like a line or table or reference I use to give me a better idea. If you see here, all this doesn't matter, doesn't worry. I'm gonna put it on the description area. This is when you are talking about brand, generic, and Nake. If you see, we are talking about a high, really high. Why we're talking about homepage and inner page? Because they are definitely a different percent. Remember something really important. When you are creating backlinks, you're just not creating to homepage. You are creating to all your important pages, okay? Including contact us. Okay, here the partial, the exact is going to be the 5%. And a lot of people are claiming why so much genetic, and now you know why. This is the number. The number you're going to find over there in the internet. And this is the amount for any pages when you are creating backlinks to your other pages. This is the percent you can use. This is an idea. It's just for reference. It's not like this is something must to be like that. No, but I'll definitely give you a really good idea. Okay, I hope this help you understand a lot of why we are using generic keyword, why it's so important. Let me know on the comment area if you have any question. Until the next video, bye.